I was rooting for this. Hello, I have a Blend Bunny package. I don't actually know if I'm prepared for this. This is the Blend Bunny Robert Welsh collab collection. And I've been waiting for this. First and foremost, Blend Bunny, thank you so much for this. It is an honor to be on your PR list, and it just every time it is, I say this every time, but like Christmas, but better. Robert, Blend Bunny, congratulations. Oh my God, I am over the moon already with the things that I've seen, but for also the box already, oh my God. But anyway, before I get into everything, if you are new here on my channel, hi, hello, I'm Courtney Quarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm gonna get into this collection, use it all, and oh my God. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you like long-form content, if you like makeup, if you like a little bit of yap, and if you just kind of want to vibe with me, all things are welcome here. Please, come hang. If you're returning, hey bestie, hey! I'm so glad you're here. I'm so excited. I feel like I have the trifecta of the launches that I was really excited for now, and this one just feels extra special. This is legitimately what I was wanting. This is what I was rooting for. Okay, so let me just shut up, keep talking, and use it and open it. Oh my God. Robert is actually someone who I have watched for quite some time now. There's so much good that I feel like I can say about both of these parties coming together that my brain doesn't know how to process it. I feel like there's so much integrity, there's so much wonderful creativity, there's so much just wonderful human beingness. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm excited. Okay, let me just open this. Okay, the box is stunning. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. The details. I love details. I do. Oh God. Oh. Custom tissue paper? Custom tissue paper? Okay. Oh my God. This packaging? Yeah. Yeah. I don't wear lashes often, but I do actually think that I would wear these. Seriously, look at the tissue paper. Oh, that is so lush. I love that so much. I'm gonna keep that in the box. Oh, wow. Packaging. And I like the font, everything about this. This is very magical feeling. This is very magical feeling. Shout out to the artist, Isabel. Isabel? Let's go, Isabel. Let's go, Isabel. Let's go, Isabel. I'm stoked. This is stunning. This is so pretty. Wow. Okay. Ooh, I like that this one. Oh, okay. You open from the top? Yes, that's what I thought. Hello? Yes. You open it from the, it's different. I like that. I'm so excited. Oh. Okay, so look, you can literally have it sitting up, the mirror. Hello. The mirror is I like that a lot. That's gonna make traveling specifically with this palette really, really nice. Ooh, I might have to take this with me to a couple places soon. Here's the deal. I'm gonna be very honest in saying that I love Blend Bunny quality. I love all of the performance of the pigments and the eyeshadows and everything that I've used so far. So I feel like this is not gonna shock me. However, what I will say is the color story is right up my alley. This has all, except for maybe red, but I know Robert does not like red, but this has all of the components that I like in daily and in colorful. Let me just use it. I like the fact that there's different rows. We got a black and gray. Let me just show you actually a little bit closer up. So see here, you got the black and gray at the bottom. You have your warm browns, purples, of course. I am so excited about the purples specifically because of Robert. Then we got these blue teals, greens, a little bit of yellow, and again, another warm, and that bronze up there in the corner, dude. Oh my God. All of these I'm quite excited about. We have multiple finishes happening here, a good bit of mattes, which I appreciate. I like the size of this too. This seems large enough again to include the colors that I want. Personally, I'm literally so thrilled to see this. So instead of just yapping about it, I'm gonna get started and do a look. I have had this look in my mind since I saw the palette, so we're just gonna roll with it. Wow. Whoa, looking at these shimmers. Also, might I add that Blend Bunny does black shimmers, some of my most favorite black shimmers. The Dollhouse one. Oh. So I will be curious to see. Be very curious to see. You know, I love black shimmer. You know, I love shimmers, but there's a particular 4. I feel like red, bronze, black, and purple are kind of like my favorite. So that rune shade. Ooh, that number 7, that looks like it's gonna be a shifty boy. Crystal. Okay, before I lose my cool, I'm gonna prime my eyes. Okay. I'm gonna start off with this lilac shade called Affirmation, and I'm just gonna kind of lay it down really lightly. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, it's kind of pink too. Yerp. I'm really familiar with this formula, so I don't imagine it's gonna be different than the other Blend Bunny palettes that I quite adore, but you never know. Cute. Now I'm gonna go in with this next purple shade. I think it's called Gemini. Ooh. And I'm going to just kind of run that into the crease just a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty. This is particularly the purple that I feel like I think of. Like these kind of like neutrally, not super warm purples, but like the purples with, I don't know, some depth to them. That's what I think about when like it was like, oh, Blend Bunny and Robert Welsh. I was like, oh, we're getting a very specific kind of purple, potentially. And this is exactly what I was wanting. Oh, yeah. My God, I love purple eyeshadow. I love purple makeup, but woo, that's cute. Okay, I like to kind of do an eye look that I'm comfortable with, that I've done a lot of times. Before I try something crazy with a palette, I'll do something that I've done like layout wise a million times to kind of like test it. If I were to go in here and try something totally different, I don't feel like I would know if I liked it as much. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just kind of rocking with like the layout that I usually do, but this, liking it so far. Now, here's where I need to use this specific shade. This one, Skeptic, that warm, like hazelnut kind of brown. Yeah. And I'm going to pat it on the lid. Oh, yeah. That is the perfect tone. That is exactly like what I was hoping it would look like. Great. Great. Then this deeper brown right here, Zoltar. That looks gorgeous. I want to eat that, actually. Out here. Yeah. 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 Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Stunning, effortless, blends like a dream. Duh. Wow, 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 wow. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Great, great. Need to bring it up a little bit higher for Yuge. Feels subtle, feels adorable. Wow. Yeah. I am not shocked, but I am happy. I'm gonna prime my lower lashes with like a cream shadow to kind of lay down a base. I like my lower lashes to be quite smoky. I'm probably gonna take this shade, which is Ouija. Ooh, I could never get a Ouija board. Those things scare me. But let me take that. I'm just gonna put it on the outer. Yeah. Oh, yep. Oh my God, that is stunning. Oh my God, that is stunning. Oh, I love that. Oh, so much. Oh, so much. Going back to that Skeptic shade, put it in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. Gonna blend them together. Yep. Woo! Ouija shade is really stunning. And these don't feel like just browns, because I feel like sometimes when people say that, it's just like, I'm obsessed with this so far, and you know, not surprising to no one. I do need to try, ooh, do I try Rune or do I try I think I have to try Superstitious actually. So this one up in the corner, this one, I don't know, it just looks like a stunning bronze, and I love bronze shimmers. I might layer on another one though. I'm gonna pick it up with a finger. Yup, feels so smooth. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit on the center of my lid. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. My God, that's pretty. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of it. I'm just a little bit. Ooh. Okay, but I'm curious because there's this crystal shade in here, which, my God, that is soft. Oh. Oh. Okay. Or alternatively, I could take number 7, which does feel like it's this might be the duochrome. Ooh, oh, that is silky. Oh, okay. So, maybe I just take both. Actually, if I just take a little bit of crystal and like barely touch. Yeah, okay. Well, okay. Lightly. I cannot okay, I went in a little too much right there though. I don't want to lose the color. I just wanted the sparkle. Wow. Woo! Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe I will put number 7 in the corner. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's try it with some brushes, shall we? Neato. Neato? Okay. Yeah, so tapping crystal on with a brush, same effect, stunning. My posture sucks right now. Oh my God. Okay, but now I'm gonna take number 7. Okay, so what if I did that? What would happen then? Ooh. Oh, that's mystical. Mystical? Is that a word? Wow. Oh, that reminds me of a shadow that I used to have that I don't think exists anymore. I am actually so thrilled about that. Okay, great. Great. Whoa. Okay. Wow. This is looking exactly how like it looked in my head. It's like I knew. I'm like rushing to get to these lips. Screamed. I screamed. Come on. Come on. Basically like a black purpley deep one and then a green. A green. I'm telling you, I'm so supremely excited for this. I'm just gonna like wipe my lips really quickly. I want to try these straight up. I have a good feeling. I'm loving the eyes. Duh. Obviously, I actually can't tell you how excited I am about this palette currently. So hold on. I can't even form thoughts right now. Let's open up the trail first, shall we? Packaging is so nice. This packaging is so nice. Hey, Maggie, this packaging? Wow. Robert? Wow. Oh, there's sparkles on it. Also, look at the color. My God. No. Dude, look at this. Look at that. Wow. I can't. I simply cannot. What is that? That is some kind of fruit. Is it grape? Is that grape? It's like nice though. Okay, so it has a little flat paddle, which is very interesting, but I'm quite curious about this because this is a gloss balm. I just need to put it on. Okay. I'm making a mess already. Oh. No. Except for yes. Wow. Oh, that feels nice. It's not sticky, but it feels like it would actually have some like good staying power. There's a happy medium that I like with products like this, particularly when it's like kind of glossy. That's so stunning though. I have to say the blue shimmer that's in this. Oh, literally love. I will use this all the time. I know myself. I know the shades that I look for, that I use constantly, that I just go back to again and again and again. Dark kind of balmy things like this without it being too warm. Yeah. Does it lock closed? No. But honestly, I do care. But like honestly, okay. That looks so nice on the lips. It feels like plush. Oh, that is a lovely texture. Lovely texture. Wow. I have this sitting next to me at all times, and this is black sugar. This is one of my favorite things from Blend Bunny, just in general. I love this, clearly. But I predict that I am going to keep this near me as well. Now, I am sadly going to wipe this off, but I need to try the green. It's a green gloss balm. Dude. Oh, cute. There's a little bit of sparkle left over. I don't hate that. Okay. I might start crying. I'm so excited. Yeah. Behold. Now the green is going to neutralize the red in my lips, which, oh my God. Robert, thank you. Thank you for this already. I don't even have it on yet, but I'm so excited. Ooh, oh, is this mango? I think this is mango. Did I see that? Or am I just thinking about mangoes? Oh yeah, that's sweet. Sweet in kind of like a fruit way. That's quite nice. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm freaking talking about, actually. Yeah. Great. Great. I'm obsessed with it. Look how pretty that is. Again, same kind of like blush formula. It's not sticky. It does feel like it is actually going to be hydrating. I will let you know how these wear. I will keep these on my desk. My God, I'm so supremely happy that these are the two. These are, oh, I don't know. I feel like I'm trying to contain myself, but also I am so happy with this collection. I feel like I was rooting for this. I know a lot of us were. Everything feels so cohesive, but more importantly, it feels very Robert. Like it makes a lot of sense. I feel like these colors, I feel like the vibe, everything about it. I feel like it's important that we get that with collabs, so it's not just like, at least for me, I care. I care about what people put into their products that they're making, that we're in this industry where there's makeup everywhere all the time. I'm so honored to get this in PR, but when just picking what I even want to wear, to have on, to make a video with, I make those choices. You know what I mean? This to me is a choice that I would make again and again and again. The quality is absolutely there. I love all of the tones. Selfishly, I love this color story for me, but I also feel like it offers such a nice range in like this palette. These don't even actually get me started on. Don't even get me started on these. That's what I'm talking about. These, I love them so much. I'm screaming. But I quite like the size of this. I like that there's a mirror. I like the shimmers are like very impactful and really pretty. And also that I can get flexibility out of them. Like I can take crystal and have it be that kind of like, ooh, kind of, you know, shimmer, versus I'm so sure that I could like build it up and have it be insane. I already have like 4 other looks that I want to do with this alone. Let me know if that is something that you want to see. I'll probably do it either way. The lashes, I know that I didn't try the lashes. I am excited to try them emotionally. Am I prepared for that today? I don't know. I will get to these at some point. And the style-wise just looks quite lovely. The band on these ones also feels very approachable to me. This lip ends up looking like a nude gloss on me, and I'm so thrilled because nude glosses sometimes look weird. Like nude glosses go wrong and are so not cute sometimes, so this feels perfect. Final thoughts. I feel like it's a duh for me to like all these products. Like it's not like I'm gonna sit here and be like, oh, so shocking, crazy. I like wow, what a twist. But I am just so supremely happy that I have this in my collection. I will treasure this, but this is something that I will use a lot. This is so stunning. It is so cohesive in the theme, in the color story, in just the vibes. Job well done. Maggie, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. I absolutely adore you. You are such a gem, and I look forward to everything that Blend Bunny has like coming up, everything that they've made. Like it's really stellar stuff that I enjoy and I use so often, clearly. I really appreciate you. I really, really appreciate you in this space, in the beauty space. Blend Bunny is just so important. Robert, if you're watching this, thank you so much for all of your hard work with this collection. Thank you so much for giving us these shades and this beautiful art, honestly. Robert is someone who I watch quite often, like if I ever get free time, which that's rare in and of itself. But when I do, I really do like to watch Robert content and just see like the expertise and the experience and the knowledge get spoken about in a way that is so comforting and thoughtful without being like nasty. I don't know, Robert, I freaking adore you. Thank you so much for everything that you do. I look forward to all of your work constantly. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for all that you do, period. This is beautiful. Congratulations to you both. Wow. Wow. So good. Anyway, I will try not to drone on because I feel like I always get like a little weepy with this because it's such a joy to see like artists get the opportunities to make stuff like this. And it feels like little pieces of magic here, and I really like that. And maybe it's the divination. Did I even say the name the whole time? Oh my god, it's the divination collection. I've got magic on the brain, but it really does feel like that. Makeup feels like magic to me, but this in particular, this collection really, really feels magical. Thank you so much for being here. I just spit everywhere. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yes. Stunning look also, might I add. Woo!